People got to know raisins accidentally when they found dried grapes on vines around 2000 BC. And it was one of the most important food discoveries ever. Vitamins, fiber, and minerals that are abundant in this dried fruit make it a wonder-working superfood that doctors and nutritionists love recommending to their patients. It turns out we can make raisins even more beneficial if we soak them in water overnight. Water dissolves all the minerals and nutrients of a raisin and its skin, boosting the health properties of this powerful fruit. To prepare raisin water, you need 2 cups of water and 100 grams of raisins. Heat the water in the pan and soak the raisins in it overnight. Sieve the water in the morning and heat it to about lukewarm and drink this water on an empty stomach. Do it for at least 4 days continuously to get the following guaranteed benefits. 1. Your liver and intestines will get rid of toxins easier. Ayurveda followers have been using raisin water for liver and intestine cleansing for a long time. In fact, detoxifying properties of raisins are explained by a large number of antioxidants and dietary fiber that's found in this dried fruit. Antioxidants help our liver work properly and fully perform its detoxifying function, while fibers add bulk to stool and increase the number of bowel movements, helping to cleanse the colon and intestines. Taken on an empty stomach, the raisin water will work even faster. Just don't forget to eat the soaked raisin together with the raisin water. 2. You'll get a quick energy boost that will last long. Scientists and sports experts believe that raisins may serve as a good substitute for energy bars. Raisins contain a large amount of fiber and micronutrients and have no added sugar or artificial flavors, unlike many energy bars, which makes them a perfect healthy snack. Raisin water taken in the morning will fill you up with energy for the coming day, or you could also try taking it before a vigorous workout. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. 3. Your level of bad cholesterol will lower, and your blood pressure will stabilize. Studies and clinical research have shown that raisins are highly rich in fiber, potassium, phytonutrients, and antioxidants compared to other common snacks. People who regularly eat raisins have lower systolic and diastolic blood pressure compared to those who eat minimal amounts of this dried fruit. What's more, is eating raisins lowers the level of oxidized low-density cholesterol, significantly reduces the risk of developing cardiovascular disease. 4. A natural source of antioxidants. Raisins are among the best sources of antioxidants present in nature. Basically, they are just dried grapes which are rich in bioflavonoid, which strengthens your body's immune system and also protects the body from various free radicals.